Hello there, this is Isaac Kraus, Business Technology Specialist and Microsoft Certified Solution Expert. The services I provide are mentoring, project management, technical support, and solution development. The main technologies I work with are Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, Power Platform, and Dynamics 365. I can cover as well custom developments based on C#, JavaScript, TypeScript, PowerShell, among others. I'm passionate about business management, so I have developed skills to provide a better service by having a more accurate understanding of my customer needs. Getting started is as easy as sending a message. To start a conversation, click on Contact Me or get a quote button. All projects go better if we have time to plan and schedule. If you are looking for alternatives, do not hesitate to ask me. I will be more than happy to recommend other fellow sellers. There is great talent here at Fiverr, and I'm always happy to meet new people. Now is the time for action. Let's rise your business productivity together. See you soon!